Everyone told me to go and learn coding to be able to function properly in the technical space. And I thought to myself, this is not something that I like doing. So how do I function properly? But my journey started as a volunteer in a community where I learned how to organize and manage people and realized that I actually love it. And this is how my journey went from a conventional to an unconventional pattern, because I never knew of community management. So, do you really need to learn coding to be part of the technical ecosystem? Wait a minute. You don't need to learn coding to be a part of the technical ecosystem. More than half of the skills you need in the tech space are non-technical skills. I took courses in social media management, content writing and marketing. I took courses in software development, and finally one day when I was taking a course in cybersecurity, after taking one course successfully, I closed my laptop because I realized that it is not something that I am drawn to. And then I thought to myself, are these skills wasted? They are not wasted, because I apply these things today in managing my communities and also the projects that I manage. Now let's define the two parts, the technical and non-technical skills. Technical skills include software development, AI, cloud computing, machine learning, and many more. While non-technical skills include project management, product ops, and even community management. So let's break this down a bit further using the restaurant as an example. So in a restaurant, you have people who have to make the food, that's the chefs. And you also have those who have to ensure that the food gets from the chef to the customer. These are the people with the non-technical skills. The chefs are those that has the technical skills. So how do you decide where do you want to belong, in the kitchen or serving or making sure the food gets from the kitchen to the customers? First off, ask your questions. Do you like getting involved with the nitty-gritty of building things? Do you like coding? Do you like putting things together? Or do you like ensuring that things get from 0 to 100, organizing and managing things and ensuring that it gets to a set goal? When you are able to ask and answer these questions, you'll be able to understand what you were leaning towards and be able to pick a skill to learn. I know someone who started doing computer science, after that pivoted to project management because that's what he was drawn to. So it is absolutely okay to pivot. And one of the important things parts of pivoting is the knowledge you learned previously doesn't ever get wasted. And understand that the tech space is one that is fast moving. Sometimes you would even need technical and non-technical skills to be able to operate fully in your role in the technical space. Imagine community managers are now having to learn analysis to be able to analyze responses and feedbacks from their community members. Project managers are now learning artificial intelligence to be able to give faster response, document things easily, and ensure that they have a fast-moving project. I know you might be asking yourself, what if I spend 5 to 10 years learning the wrong skill? It is absolutely okay. I mean, you already learned that skill and no one can take it away from you. Whenever you decide to change, you can change. The tech space is really broad and every skill is important. Imagine that in the kitchen, the chef just makes the food and has to take the food again to the customer. Remember that that's going to take a whole lot of time. So whenever you choose to pivot, it is absolutely okay. Whether you choose to learn a technical or non-technical skill, do not let analysis paralysis keep you in one place. Pick a skill and start learning already instead of analyzing. When you start learning them, it helps you understand, is this something I'm drawn to? Like for me, I started volunteering as a community manager before I decided that I am drawn to organizing and managing things. Do not forget to drop in the comments what skill you're going to be learning. Are you going to be going the technical way or the non-technical way? And do not forget to subscribe if you're drawn to this type of content and you want to hear about my messy technical journey.